In this video, I will show you how to create a private story on Snapchat. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up Snapchat on your device. So once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto your profile icon or your Bitmoji icon up here. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down on this menu and you're going to see underneath my stories, you've got add to my story. Now, if you look underneath this, you've got an option for a private story. So just press onto this to create a new private story. And then from here, you just want to select the friends that can view your private story. So I'm going to select this one here, and you can use the search box at the top if you want to. Once that's done, come down to the bottom and press the blue create story button. At this point, you can go ahead and name your private story. And once you've done that, just press the save button. After doing that, you will now be able to go ahead and send snaps to this private story, which only your selected friends can see. So that is how to go ahead and create a private story on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.